Hey guys, Dennis back with another great video for you here. So what we're doing today is we're gonna be refinishing the risers on our staircase going to the upstairs in our house here. So previously there was a carpet runner coming down the stairs. These things are like destroyed. There's dings and dents in them, marks from staples and whatnot. So we're gonna be sanding these. As you can see here, we're starting off. They are pretty beat. You can kind of see all the little dings in here over the past however many years, 50 years maybe. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand all of these. So I previously removed all of the quarter round molding that was underneath here, and that allowed me to get up and knock down any high spots where these were previously polyurethaned. There's some little ridges in here, so I think I don't want to put the quarter round molding back underneath. I think it looks better without it. So we're gonna go ahead and sand every single one of these risers. I think we have about 13 total, 13 or 14. We're gonna sand them all down, clean them up really nice so we can see where all the little dings and dents are. Then we're gonna apply some wood putty. We're gonna use this DAP Plastic Wood here. This stuff works really good. It dries fairly fast and it gets like rock hard, but it's really easy to sand. So I think that'll work out well from us. Then we're gonna go ahead and take some Zinsser bin primer. So with dark stain like this, you really need to use this bin primer. It's an alcohol-based primer and it really adheres very well. I previously used it on all of the trim and door casing trim, window casing trim upstairs here because it was all the same kind of dark walnut color. And it helped out changing everything to white. So we're gonna put probably 1 or 2 coats of the primer on. Then we're gonna hit this with probably 2 coats of this white paint that we got. It's a Valspar Reserve. It's called Fundamental White. It's what I've been using on all the trim in the house.